Join us Friday, March 10th and Saturday, March 11th.
At 7 p.m. for Swing Show at the Rialto.
Tickets are $5 a piece.
There's reserved seating at the Rialto or at the door.
Hooray!
Mark your calendars. Here are when the annual events are happening in Pocahontas this year.
My name is Paige, and I'm here to share a little bit with you about the Pomeroy Covenant Moms Group. Mom stands for Missions of Motherhood because motherhood, well, it can be a mission. Catherine Degner and I kicked off 2023 with this moms group. We dove all in and decided to meet twice a month, one Tuesday from 9 to 11 and a Thursday from 6 to 8, to kind of gear towards our stay-at-home moms and our working moms, because moms, they just have crazy schedules. So if one month, it works for you to come at nighttime and another doesn't work for you to come at all, that's fine. It's really put in what you want. There's no rules, rights, wrongs, nothing. You don't have to be a member of the church. If you have a friend maybe that comes and you want to join them, please do. All are welcome. Once our new building edition is done, we're also going to try and meet on Saturdays once a month to just let the kids get all that energy out and give moms the conversation that they need. A little bit of facts about our group. We have had dietitians come talk about meal planning, because moms, meal planning, all the help we can get. We've had creative outlets of doing crafts. We have had car seat techs come talk. Truthfully, our main goal was to touch all those phases of motherhood, whether you've got a high schooler that, you just need to relate to a mom with on that, all are welcome. If you've got a little itty bitty, just had a baby, postpartum's tough. We want to connect with those moms too. And our meetings try and reflect that. So upcoming, we have AEA coming to chat with us about learning disabilities. Those can touch on a lot of different areas of age groups. So grab a friend, come join us. Refreshments and snackies are always provided, as well as childcare. We hope to see you there. Thanks.